Are you part of multiple Office 365 environments and sometimes your messages do not reach you? Well, then this video is for you. Watch it and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But first, let's get into Teams and explain it. In this case, I'm in the environment of KBWorks demos, but I'm also guest in KBWorks as a guest. So if I go into this environment and I tenant switch, we will see that we have a chat in here, but I never read my chat. Sometimes it comes into my mobile, but on my desktop client, I never see it. So how to overcome this? This we can overcome by doing this. We can set a status message, and I already prepared one. In this case, the email address is not correct, but that doesn't matter. So I always say show when people try to message me, and it never expires. So now it's set. So people who will try to message me in this team will get this message. Now let's try it in the demos environment, because of course I have Paul at KBWorks in this environment, Paul at kbworks.nl. And here you have two accounts. You first have the external, that's the one you want to message normally. And here you have the guest account. In this case, I'm going to select the guest because we want to see what happens when you set the status message of a guest. So here I gonna type, and you directly see status Paul Keizers guest. Please do not use this account to send chat messages. Use Paul at, and exactly that is what is helping people to know, okay, this might be the wrong account, so I have to change it and have to send it to kbworks.nl external. And now you see I do not get any message anymore, and I can just start my message. This is it. It's a quick solution. And I think this is way easier than it should be. I hope you like and subscribe to my video. If you have any comments, please let me know. And if you have any additions or other ways or things you like about this, please comment in the video. Thank you. Until next time.